110 pounds per square foot. And I got it sitting. Yep. All right. 110 pounds per square foot. As you can see, it's resting on that. And that's all on the ground. All right. All right, here we go. The last one right here, 110 pounds, foot torque. I'm just tightening it up. There you go, now it's getting tighter, it's getting tighter. It's getting tighter. All right, here we go. Go up slowly at 110 foot-pounds. Here we go. Bring it up. Okay, bring it down. Now bring it up one more time. Make sure it's in all the way. And bring it up. Bam. Done.